This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. I know you love driving. You love driving. Miss Molly. Yeah, you love driving. Morning guys, December 5th, 2019. This one I gotta go do an annual burner service. I do this burner every year, so it'll just be an easy, quick one. I've done so many of these videos, these burner cleaning videos, I don't know if I should even post anymore. I mean, there's so many of them. Ridiculous. Miss Molly loves driving. She loves working. You love work. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. She is working again. Miss Molly. You're a cutie pie. You're a cutie pie, Miss Molly. You got me plugged in?
Sorry?
Yeah, you got me plugged in, right?
And you what?
You got me plugged in. You going deaf?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's an overhead oil line.
Be close to food, no?
Huh? That's an old tank. It's not leaking though. Yeah, we already did that overhead oil line.
Yeah.
You got oil in the tank?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's off on limit. You like a retirement thing, yeah?
Yeah. Enjoy it.
Some people really do like it.
Sometimes it's a bit boring, but always find something to do. So.
They don't call you back wanting you to go do that job that you were doing?
I don't even want.
You don't want to?
No.
Too much traveling.
That's the main problem.
Yeah.
Spending hours and hours and hours in the planes.
You sound like that guy from Fantasy Island, the plane.
Yeah,
Say that
crazy.
again?
Crazy.
The plane?
You know, when I was going to Australia, it was 29 hours in the air.
Wow.
That's more than enough.
That's a while, yeah. 30 hours in the air?
28, 28 and a half, 29.
Crazy.
Yeah. When you're riding Dubai, you say you're not even halfway. After 14 hours flight.
Yeah, maybe someday I'll retire. I don't know, maybe. I always figured I'd die with my boots on. You know, sometimes it gets to the point where it's not worth working because you're collecting unemployment, Social Security or whatever it is, right?
Yeah.
And by the time you work, As long as you can get health insurance, that's the biggest thing.
Yeah, but you know, I was on my own anyway, so I have to pay on my own.
70.
So,
Oh, you had to pay your own anyway. Yeah.
yeah.
The company didn't pay for your health insurance?
No.
Wow, that's kind of shitty.
They paid when I was a real employee, but when I decided to get on my own as a consultant, I had to do it myself.
Oh, so you wanted to, yeah.
So, but at the end it's the same, you know, if they give you 500 a day working for them and pay your insurance, or if they give you 1,000 and you do it yourself, it doesn't make a big difference.
Yeah, not really, right?
As long as what they give you compensate what you have to pay, it's okay. Well, no, I was.
You don't miss it.
No, I don't. Actually, I missed it a bit last year at the beginning, you know, and afterwards. So wow, that's good to stay home. You know?
Yeah, nice to get up in the morning. You don't need to do anything.
Yeah, it's wise.
Huh?
You know, we looked for an house, bigger house for years, and we never found what we wanted.
Yeah.
So I said, that's it. So I built a shed. I bought a shed this spring.
Your old lady ever kicks you out, you can go hang out in the shed.
My wife wanted to get a dog, so she got the dog, and that's it.
What kind of dog?
German Shepherd.
Oh, a big one. Yeah, wow. You have to be careful going in the house.
Well, she's in the cage. She's 6 months old. 6 months. She will be 6 months.
Yeah, but that's a serious dog, a shepherd.
Saturday. Oh, she's a nice girl.
Yeah, but I'm saying a stranger going in the house like that, like to get a check.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she's not
will
gonna.
bark,
Yeah, she's not gonna be too happy about that. Pretty dog though, I bet, huh?
She will bark, but she likes people. She's, you know, we take her
She likes people.
to socialize. We go to Lowe's. We go to Home Depot.
You take the dog in there?
Sorry.
You take the dog inside?
Oh, yeah, you can take him. Yeah.
Really?
Lowe's, Home Depot, Ocean State. What, Tractor Supply. You have plenty of places you can take the dog. Yeah.
Yeah, I think life's better with a dog. Don't you think?
He go.
You don't think life's better with a dog?
He's good.
Yeah, they're nice to have around. I mean, the dog's always good, glad to see you.
Yeah.
You know,
No, it's good. We enjoy it actually.
wake up in the morning, the dog's there.
I thought that we should have taken actually earlier when I was away. That would have been company for my wife, but
You get so attached to the animals.
Oh, yeah.
They're so
it's like a kid.
yeah. It's like part of the family.
It's part of our
Yeah.
life now. It's part of the family. Yeah.
Yeah, part of the family. I mean,
This is our baby girl, and that's right.
start it up. We'll check the oil flow. Make sure we're getting a good oil flow. It should be fine, but we'll check it. Start it up nice. See how it shuts off when we shut it off. Yeah, this one used to rumble a little bit, but that's better, huh?
Yeah.
Check the oil flow, see what we got for oil flow there. Rubber gets hot after a while, I'm gonna need to get another one. So checking this oil flow, if I got a good oil flow, I know the filters are still good. Good oil flow. Yeah, so we know that the filters, we're still getting a good flow of oil here. The filters are fine. Pump filter's fine. I don't need to change it unless it's, I need to, you know, if it's dirty and it's got a wimpy flow, then I know this filter and this filter would be blocked. Some guys change them no matter what and charge you for them. I mean, I don't see why you should do that. If it's dirty, it needs to be changed, we change it, right?
That's right. That's what the two filters.
Say that again?
You have two filters. You have a pre-filter here and another one.
Yeah, I got a filter that belongs at the tank, but
Yeah.
obviously it's because it's so low, it's here instead. And then there's a filter inside the pump too.
Yeah.
You know, and I did check the nozzle was nice and clean, the end of it. Take that off. We'll turn the low limit back down. Where you had it at 170. And the high limit at 190. That should do it. Pressure, oil pressure looks good. I did change the feeder here a couple of years back. That's fine.
Really bad?
Oh, that's the water feeder. Alright, so I've been coming here right along. I'm familiar with this boiler. New nozzle, clean burner head. Clean burner head and electrodes. Reset electrodes. Good draft, good oil flow. It's a peerless. So she's ready for another year. I mean, that's all you're looking for, right?
That's right.
Service it before there's a problem.
It's better. Preventive maintenance.
Right. Like I just left that burner service. I mean, I service that boiler every year, so I'm very familiar with it. You know, I have cleaned out, been full of soot a few times. And so, you know, I go over there, check the oil flow, I clean it, change the nozzle, clean the head. Check it. If it's running good, I know how it should be running, and you know I don't always take them all apart and brush them and vacuum unless they need it. But like I said, I'm familiar with the system, so I know how it's running. If it's choked, I'd know. You know, I have replaced the oil line there before, overhead oil line. It's an older system, but I mean they call me every year like clockwork to service it. So. Had a good draft, had a good oil flow, so I don't change any oil filters. If I get a good oil flow, I know that the filters are good. And I don't just charge people for stuff that they don't need. Nozzle, yeah, I'll change the nozzle out. Look at the flame. Make sure it's gonna have done combustion tests on it before. Like I said, it's running lean and clean, so we'll go another year with it. I get guys comment, oh my God, you didn't even change the pump filter. You didn't even change the filter at the tank. Well, I didn't need to, dumbass. Why do it? Sometimes people are just stuck on stupid. They're clueless. They get all bumhurt about something they have no clue about. But anyway, there you go. There's your dinner. Oh yeah, there's your dinner. There's your dinner. Yeah, there's your dinner.